video, we're going to show you how to figure out what is and isn't available on the CC Wi-Fi 2 as far as programming goes. If you open your web browser and go to tunein.com, TuneIn.com, this is the programming that we use in the CC Wi-Fi 2. If you put your cursor in the search bar, you can type in whatever programming you're looking for. In this case, we're going to use the example of KFI. You'll see we get a result. If you hover to the left over the little headphone icon, you'll see that there's a box with an arrow inside the circle. What that means is that's a pop-up player, and pop-up players will not play on our CC Wi-Fi 2. Maybe you're not really looking for KFI, but some host that's on KFI. So you can type in a host. In this case, we'll just use Clark Howard, and you'll be able to find several results of stations that carry him. If you hover over, you can see which ones are pop-up players versus which ones have just the circle with the play button in the middle. Those will play on the CC Wi-Fi 2. So for this example, KGED carries the Clark Howard Show and will play on the CC Wi-Fi 2. There are a lot of really cool ways to find programming on the CC Wi-Fi 2. One of the most used is probably local. So you can click your local button and it will show you which stations are available. It figures out where you're at all by itself. And so you can see which ones will play. You can also go through music and you can see all the different genres and you can find which ones are available. You can also do this on the radio, and obviously if you see it on the radio, it's available to play. There's a ton of programming on here. It's just a different way that it's organized and what you can hear. So we wanted to make sure to give you an easy tool to figure it out ahead of time to make sure that it has the stations that you're looking for or the programming that you're looking for before you buy. The other option is if you don't see the station or the programming that you like, it does have Bluetooth support. So if you have a smartphone, you can use one of the apps that's out there, like for iHeart or for Pandora, and you can connect to the radio via Bluetooth and listen really to anything that you have an app for, which pretty much gives you unlimited listening capability. Only drawback is if you're not using Wi-Fi on your smartphone, you're using data. So if you have any questions about how this works, please give us a call, 1-800-522-8863, or email us at customerservice@ccrane.com.